your girl Katrina and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to tell you guys that I have partnered up with DoseOfColors and created my very own bundle, including my favorite DoseOfColor products. So not only did I create a bundle, but this particular bundle will be 50% off this Memorial Day weekend. Now this has never been done by DoseOfColors and probably will not happen again. So I would take full advantage of that. So this is the look that I created with my bundle. I promise you guys, everything that I included in my bundle is fire. I mean, like, look at my look. Look at this. Do you see how bomb this looks? So if you have anywhere to go this Memorial Day weekend, this is the bundle that you need. So I'm going to show you what's included in my bundle. I'm going to create this look and we are going to hang out like we usually do. So before we get started on creating this look, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and at the end of this video, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But let's get to creating magic. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started on creating this look. So we are going to be playing in a palette today. This is one of my fave palettes to create a look with. This is the Blushing Berries palette. So this is my favorite palette because literally you can just start from the beginning and go all the way to the end to kind of create the perfect like eyeshadow transition from like that light to dark to the cut crease to the crease. Like you can just create anything. So the first color we're going to start off with this color right here, which is called Roseberry. This is what it looks like on the back of the brush. Super pigmented on the back of the brush. So we are going to start by just, wow, you guys, she's pigmented. We are just going to start by placing that. We're just going to place it first, kind of just like stamp it on, and then we are going to start by just lightly blending that. I feel like this kind of like berry just looks so good on my skin tone. So the next thing I like to do is go back into the lighter color. This is why I didn't start with that light color, because I like to go into the light color and then we are just going to take it upwards on our eye just to make that blend that much better. Okay, so we're just going to take it a little bit upwards and this is just going to help that blend. You see how it's kind of diffusing out that color and just making it look so effortlessly blended. That's why these 5-pan eyeshadows are like my favorite, because just the like shade range of the mattes, and I know that they're only mattes, but you can always create such a good eyeshadow. Like, you see how that's just blending? And then we're gonna go into a darker color and just add some like dimension to it, girl. Yes. So we're gonna go into this next color right here, and this is just gonna add a little bit more pop of color. We're going for a berry look, so this is definitely gonna give that like berry effect of a color. Ooh, yes. These are just blending so good. I love a cranberry look, you guys. I love it because like it's so like versatile. This could be for a date night, this could be for in the fall, this could just be for a like regular day, good for like a brunch too. Cranberry, you can never go wrong with a cranberry eye because it's like that nice, it could be like subtle, you could dress it up, make it real sexy, you know. There's endless possibilities with a cranberry eye. So for the last color, we're going to take this into our crease, and this is really just going to define that look. We're going to go into this color right here. This one is called Berry Black. Ooh, I like that little pun. This is Berry Black. And this one, because we are going with the black shade, we're just going to be very, very light-handed with it because we just want to add a little bit of dimension, but not too much. And we're actually going to be creating kind of like a halo eye. So we're gonna bring this right here in the beginning as well. So just really quick, I want to work on the bottom lash line. So we're going to take a small brush and we are going to go back into this color right here. And that color was Berry Pop. See, that's why that color looks so good. And it was like that pop of color that we needed, Berry Pop. So we're going to go into a Berry Pop with a small brush and we're just going to take this on our bottom lash line. Oh yes, I'm feeling very like grungy Spice Girls type of thing going on. So one of my favorite things from DoseOfColors is their eyeshadows, the shimmer eyeshadows. The texture of them is just so bomb. So for the lid area, the halo eye that we are going to be creating, I'm going to be using one of their Block Party eyeshadows in the color Shall We Dance. The textures of these are just so amazing. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. That is what it looks like, and I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. Oh my gosh. You see that when she hits the light? Yes. Yes. I had to include one of these in my bundle because they are just so bomb. Like, they have so many shades, but this particular shade right here is just like the perfect, like it's kind of like a pinky, but then it has like champagne, like rose gold type of color in it. So it's perfect for those everyday looks. Just you want to dress it up, you want to play it down, you just want to do a simple look and add this on the lid for some like razzle dazzle. Then like these are like perfect for that, and they're just so small, and like it even has a mirror, you guys. Like, look at that. You can just like look at your eye and put it on. Now, usually I would cut the crease with like concealer or something, but I don't need to do that. All I'm going to do is spray my flat brush that I'm going to be using and then just go in with the eyeshadow. That's how bomb these are. So I'm just going to spray my brush and just make it a little damp. We're going to go into this beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow. And we are going to... You see how pigmented that is? That's why I didn't want to do the cut crease, because I didn't want to take away from how pigmented this is, you guys. And then obviously, like if you had shorter nails, then you could use your finger. I'm gonna try to use my finger just to show you guys. Go in with my finger and apply it to my eye, because sometimes the warmth of your finger will just make it that much more pigmented. But you know, girl I got my nails on, so yeah, see? Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna pat that on there. Yes, wow. That's beautiful. So what we are gonna do now that we're like super extra, we are just going to blend a little bit more. So we're gonna mix Berry Pop and then Berry Black together, and we are just kind of gonna like smudge around the halo eye just to blend everything. So we're just gonna take it lightly, just so we don't have any harsh lines and everything is just like blending and looking beautiful. So instead of doing a liner, we're just going to line our lash line a little bit, and this is just gonna help when we put the lashes on. So we're just gonna take it straight across like that. Like, it doesn't even have to be perfect, because lashes are gonna go right on top of this. I'm just gonna add some mascara as well before, you know, we finish off the eye look. I'm just loving the way that these eyeshadows blended. Are we witnessing how amazing this eye look is? This is why I chose to include Berry Blushing's eyeshadow palette in my bundle for Memorial Day weekend, because she's bomb. So now we're going to move on to the rest of the face. We are going to move on to highlighter. So for highlighter, we are going to be using the Supreme Glow highlighter in the color Gold is the New Black. Look how bomb that packaging is. And that is what she is looking like. I'm going to swatch her, of course. That's what she looks like on the back of the hand. I mean the back of the finger. Oh. Wow. Look at that. So you guys know I love a good highlighter. So we are about to make these cheekbones pop even more than they already do naturally by themselves. Are you guys witnessing this? Are we? Girl. I love a good highlighter. I'm telling you, everything in my bundle is popping. So I want to make the eye look pop just a little bit more. So we're going to go back into Shall We Dance. I'm going to take a smaller brush. Make that inner tear, inner corner highlight pop just a little bit, you know? You already know about this lip liner because I have used it multiple times on my channel. Sometimes when I start using a lip liner, I'm just like stuck, obsessed using it for a while. So for the lip liner today, we are going to be using their Drama lip liner. This is my favorite shade of like plum purple. So this is just gonna go perfect with the look. Even the packaging of this is just like so cool. It kind of looks like a pencil or a style, you know, the thing that you use to like, you know, touch your iPhone, or like, you know what I'm talking about. But it's actually like, I just think the packaging of it is just like super like futuristic and cool. So just the top comes off and then you're going to twist her up. You actually get a good amount too. Look at this. Boom. So I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. I know you guys have already seen her featured on my channel before, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So this is in the color Drama. Look how fine. And they're so smooth too. So now for the inside of the lips, we are going to be going in with a gloss. Their glosses are another one of my favorite products. The ones that they put like in their collaborations with like Desi and Katie are like all-time fave, holy grail. So we are going to be using the color Jazzy. This is one of their lip glosses. She's beautiful, like the perfect color for this. Oh, yes. Ooh. And she smells good. Ooh, she smells, that's really bomb. Kind of makes me want to eat it. Don't eat it, but it smells really good. Alright you guys, so this is the final look using my bundle that I created with Dose of Colors. Please do not forget that this bundle will be available Memorial Day weekend and it'll be 50% off, you guys. I'm so excited about this and I hope you guys are too. I really love this look. Like, it is so perfect. It's almost a kind of look that you can wear during the day. You can also wear it at night. You could dress it up. You could play it down. I love how versatile this palette is. So that's why I included it in my bundle. Like, everything in my bundle is bound to give you an incredible look. I mean, like, look at this one. You can find all the information for my bundle down below, and you can also go to DoseOfColors.com. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.